birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday pa. Happy na birthday pa. Happy na.
Words na po yung I will say something. Thank you, Vince. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bisan may kulang, sige na lang, no? Okay lang. Kay, we have to move on. That's why na kinanglan na pressure to give me time, no? Kay, tabla ka ba no sa life? Life is unpredictable. No, kinanglan, good memories all the time. So this night is example of good memories na putang ka na sa pinsa, nothing negative, always positive.
Nagpipa na cake na ba?
San hindi ka kulang, pero we don't stop there. But we have more. May tiyak ka, may kiel, no? Always end sa positive note. Kaya mo ng family ka. I'm very honored and privileged to be in this family. I'm very proud nila kuya to be a member of this family. Kaya ibang ba lang ang family, nag-separate ba lang. Isang layo na, no? Wala na. Kita ya, ari ng tagyapo, no? Nadabo lang ang nadabo. We have to keep this up, no? Ang family, we have to, may kadabog sa forces na gusto yung i-separate pa. So, kita mismo, we have to be strong to maintain this relationship. Kay very proud din ako yung sinusabi. Kay mga labing ba lang. Isa may sugod-sugod, pero kinanglan mabalik. Balik no, ang sugod, hindi niya mapalik. Isa na sugod ka, okay, kinuman ka. But you always come back. Always come back. Kaya ang ating having man, we only go bigger, not smaller. Thank you, it's sa inyong presence. Grabe sa ma-instant, no? Na hindi pa botanic, pero sila po, ay gusto nga nila mag-hit sa akin. So, nang hindi ba lang ay, may gusto ba lang ang tao to give you something. Hindi ka na, you shouldn't reject it. Gusto ko na, I know you want to give me something for your life. So, I don't want to refuse that. Thank you, kay gift yun sa akin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your Thank you for
few words. So, damo na mga words.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you.
Okay lang po yan, sponsor. Pero, kung ay ugali ako na yung
That nakatubo ang ating pagtulog. We have to strengthen our faith. At that ang makalimutan. Hindi naman ginagawa kayo. Alam na nga rasuli. So isa, manadula sila. And we have to realize that we have to strengthen that faith. Eh, hindi inangamoy ta, hindi atong kita makontrol ang salita. Pwede ka nabok, tulong ka sa pagkakutan. At yung tayo na pagtayap sa pamilya. Pero nga sugod-sugod, may gusto, magagawin na. It will just worry. It's just going to realize na wala na hindi sa na hindi lang matawag ang kalait nila pagwan, kundi ang kaayo. Kaayo sa tao. Just keep on praying, isa-isa, and have faith. Strengthen your faith. Sana talaga. Kaya sa natin.